Everything. Good to go? All right, pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone, less than 5. Thank you, HB Sound and Light, but you're not going to be able to take your banner back. We tried to punch through it right there. Rudsky was trying to do a marathon runner. He's cutting up, making confetti. He's making it rain, yo. Trying to turtle mode, recover his craft remotely at the bottom of the banner. Millennial Falcon from the University of North Dakota, your leader. 44.6, 67 and change for Infinite FPV. That was another crash off to the left-hand side. NHB Sound and Light banner hurdle is taking a beating. Millennial Falcon on to lap number 3 now with a 34.8 from lap 2. We're coming up on 90 seconds in, another 30 seconds still to go on the master race clock. Elisma Enslin says, go BJ White. Watching on the Live RC YouTube channel. On the interwebs as we broadcast live from Race Control, bringing all of the action, all of the stories and saga, the 2019 Collegiate Drone Racing Championship, hosted here at the University of North Dakota. Once we get into our brackets in about an hour and a bit, I want to say about an hour and a half, just after 3:30 local. We're getting into our brackets. Make sure you play along on our Hydra FPV app. We'll talk about that when we get into it in just a little bit. Millennial Falcon on to lap number 4. He did 4 laps in round number 3. He might do a personal best here. The bell has rung. The bell has tolled. And across the line, 4 laps, 2 minutes 27. About a second and a half longer than his third round effort. It's pretty solid in the number 5 spot overall. Put in UND on the number 5 spot in our team order so far. Joe Cool across the line, 3 laps in 2 minutes 35. Not as strong as his round 3 effort. Everyone down. The course is clear. Go get your gear. Heat 6 is in the books.